Hi, everyone. Today I will share some of the information about how families can use the Clever to support their child for remote learning, and also the benefit of using Clever. So, as you know, the Clever with the Clever, your child only need to go to one location, and with a single sign-on, gain the access to all of their digital learning resources in one location, which is the Clever portal. So whether your child is currently learning from home, the classroom, or both, Clever is help your families, your child with all things digital learnings. So from this video, I hope it will be help your family's member to make the most of Clever for the remote learnings. So to access the Clever portal, you can use the iPhone, Android phone, laptop, iPad, or even the desktop to access all the resources in Clever with a single click. So you can download the Clever app very simply to log in. Navigate to clever.com/login and search for your school. When you found your school, the Clever will remember your section for future login. So you don't need to search again. So when you select your school, log in using your badges or your school provide username and password. So it will be looking like this. So if your school provide you the login informations, including the username and password, you can enter it here and then press the login. Or they give you the badges, then you can click here and scan it. So from there, you will be able to log in to the Clever. So for the iPad, you can download the Clever iOS app, and once you download it, you will be using the same thing, either scanning your Clever badge or enter your school provide user name and password. So if you forgot or your child forgot the username and password, you can ask your the student can ask the teacher for help. So when your student or your child is logged into the Clever, there is a several way you and the teacher can support their remote learning using the Clever platform. So for the teacher page, so you can see from the teacher page, it's allow the teacher to create a custom page for each student in their class. So the teacher can also like digital texting the message, and it's also like one of the top and shop for their digital learning resources, where they can access learning resources along with the community building's content. The teacher also can use this website, the teacher page, to communicate with their student directly through the Clever portal. And then the teacher also can use the teacher announcement feature to share announcement with the entire class, or even with message the student and the parents, student parents. So this is the great way for the teacher to communicate with the student. So in order, whether they need extra help or they just want to check in, the teacher can use this page, the communication page, to stay connect with the student. The Clever also have the family portrait page. So from this portrait page, once the family is logged into family page, um, the parents also able to help your child to log in using the family portrait page if they need help. If they have, if they struggle, doesn't know how to get into it, unable to log in, so you can use this page to help them. Besides that, you also able to support your child to learning at home using the family portrait page. So they have a lot of resources in-house that you can support your child, communicate with them, interact with them, giving the encouraged message to your child in order to support them who are learning at home. And also on the family portrait page, family also receive the message from the teacher or able to communicate with the teacher if they have any further questions, or they need support. So parents able to send the message or receive the message directly to your child teacher. And you may know that many families have a reference language other than English. So to help with this, on the Clever Family Portrait page, it can configure in the multilingual, multi-language, so the family member can engage with the platform in language that is most comfortable for them. So this is the great new family can use the language support, to help their family with that. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information provide you the great contents that you can support your child during the remote learnings. And don't forget to click on the subscribe to receive my upcoming video. Thank you, and look forward to see you again.